Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the Google Pixel 10 and the Motorola Edge 60 Pro. Today, we're diving into which phone truly dominates in display brilliance, raw performance, camera prowess, battery life, memory capacity, durability, and price. Will the Pixel 10's cutting-edge Google Tensor G5 chipset and sharp 48MP triple camera setup outclass the Edge 60 Pro's massive 6,000 mAh battery and ultra-bright 4,500 nits POLED screen? Which one offers better value for your money? And here's the kicker. Does the Pixel's smaller but vibrant display really beat the Edge's larger, brighter panel? Let's find out. Starting with the display, the Motorola Edge 60 Pro boasts a larger 6.7-inch POLED screen with an impressive peak brightness of 4,500 nits, making it the brightest and most vivid display for outdoor visibility and HDR content. In contrast, the Google Pixel 10's 6.3-inch OLED peaks at 3,000 nits. That extra brightness on the Edge 60 Pro is a game-changer for those who consume media under direct sunlight or want punchier colors. Under the hood, the Google Pixel 10 is powered by the Google Tensor G5, built on a 3-nanometer process, featuring a high-performance octa-core CPU with a blazing 3.78 GHz Cortex-X4 core, delivering superior efficiency and raw power compared to the Motorola Edge 60 Pro's Mediatek Dimensity 8350 Extreme on 4-nanometer. This means smoother multitasking and better AI capabilities on the Pixel 10. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 10 shines with its versatile triple-lens setup, highlighted by a 48MP wide sensor with dual-pixel PDAF and OIS, plus a 10.8MP telephoto lens offering 5x optical zoom, perfect for detailed shots at a distance. The Edge 60 Pro has a higher resolution 50MP main sensor, but only 3x optical zoom, making the Pixel's zoom capabilities more flexible and powerful for photography enthusiasts. Battery life favors the Motorola Edge 60 Pro with a substantial 6,000 mAh Li-ion battery compared to the Pixel 10's 4,970 mAh. That extra capacity means longer screen-on time and less frequent charging, ideal for heavy users or those on the go. In terms of memory, the Pixel 10 offers configurations up to 256 GB with 12 GB RAM, emphasizing faster multitasking with higher RAM. The Edge 60 Pro, however, goes up to 512 GB storage, but with a maximum of 12 GB RAM, catering more to users needing massive storage rather than just speed. For durability, both phones have IP68 dust and water resistance, but the Edge 60 Pro steps it up with IP69 certification and Milstand 810H compliance, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets and tougher conditions, making it the more rugged choice. Finally, price points show the Motorola Edge 60 Pro at $700, making it the more affordable option versus the Pixel 10's $799 tag. This price difference could sway buyers looking for premium features without breaking the bank.